Before throwing any household stuff in the garbage bin, you may be able to turn damaged household items into beautiful and valuable things. You will not only make your home more beautiful in a cost-effective way, but you can also contribute to saving nature from the damage brought by massive trash. Welcome to Jansen's DIY, and here are 21 super creative organizing ideas from recycled things. 1. This will be especially good for teens who love collecting earrings. If you have a frame with a broken glass, set aside the frame and get ready to be crafty. In addition to the frame, you'll need a scissor, a marker, lash and hook plastic mesh, screwdriver, and a bow. Check out the step-by-step tutorial on Courtney Chambers' YouTube channel. 2. Coat rack made of screwdriver. This will serve a dual purpose, a coat rack and a tool organizer. So get the screwdrivers that you use out of the toolbox and have it displayed in a place that can be accessed easily. First, make sure to remove all dirt and grease from your tools, and then dip to recoat the screwdriver handles in white, and then redip the white screwdrivers in an assortment of colors. Next, lay out the holes pretty close to each other, which comprises the function of a coat rack. Drill the holes on an oak table leg at Home Depot to make the rack and 2 L brackets for mounting it. Use 220 grit sandpaper to sand the oak and remove the pencil marks. Screw the L brackets to the wall and then screw the oak leg to the L brackets. And there you have it. 3. The kitchen is the area of the home where you can usually find a lot of plastic and bottle trash. A pantry recycling center can be the solution to make your kitchen clean and organized in an easy and seamless way. You can place the recycling bin in an area not visible to visitors. 4. If you have an empty bottle of lotions or disinfectant, do not throw that yet, as it can be turned into a cute and useful hanging storage bins. You can place it behind the mudroom or kitchen door. These recycled storage bins are perfect for small places or apartments. First, remove all labels from your container. Use a piece of paper to cut out a shape for the back part of each container. Then trace it into each container with a permanent marker. Use kitchen shears to cut off the extra plastic. For the hole, poke one point of the scissors into the center of the circle, and then cut around the marker line. If you have jagged lines or rough edges, use sandpaper to smooth it all out. For the main rectangle piece of each wall hanging, use a 2-foot-long piece of wood, then drill them out. Attach hooks to the back of each wood piece, and to finish it off by spraying your wood, let it dry, and hang it up. 5. This is a good space saver. All you only need are bins and then hang them on the wall. It can hold the recycling bins, so the space it is supposed to use can be utilized for other purposes. Specifically, you'll need a cordless drill, miter saw, lever, tape measure, and stud finder. 6. No recycling bins in the neighborhood? Well, why not create one yourself? You'll only need empty metal buckets. You can print signs and paste it on the buckets, or paint it directly on the bin. Place the metal buckets in the garage, on the deck, or hang them on the kitchen wall. 7. Wooden crates make not only great decorating materials, but also a good tool for organizing. If there are no wooden crates available, you can just find a pile of woods and stack them on each other. It can save space in a cost-effective way. 8. If you have crafty kids, they will definitely love this DIY project. You and the kids can place the repurposed trash in it, allowing an easy access. It can act as a mini supply store. 9. Instead of throwing your laundry sorter into the garbage bin, why not turn it into a recycling bin? It is just easy to make. If there is no laundry sorter, you can just purchase one. It's not that expensive compared to buying a recycling bin. 10. Recycling bin made of shopping bags. Do you have shopping bags with a flat bottom and are plastic coated? These bags usually have handle durable enough to carry recyclable items, so you can just hang them on the wall and place items there. 11. If you frequently buy soda and bottled water and are having a problem with trash, this recycling bin will be pretty perfect. It's double, so you'll have 2 bins, one for the soda cans and the other for the empty water bottles. This double recycling and trash bin looks beautiful when done right and creative. 12. There is no need for lavish materials to create a recycling bin, as even a material as simple as a plastic trash can do. It is cute and easy to make, and all you need is to label it, then talk to your family. Educate them about recycling and instruct them to place their trash to the respective trash cans. 13. DIY stackable affordable recycling bins. All you need are repurposed totes and a few tools. The process is pretty simple. Get your totes and cut out the front section where you'll place and stack the recyclables. The recyclables can be removed for hauling them off or repurposing them through removing the lids. 14. If you want to have recycling bins, but don't like it exposed indoors or outdoors, then hidden recycling bins will be perfect for you. This is an upcycled cabinet in the kitchen that appears like a lavish piece of beautiful furniture. Your guests will never know that there are recycling bins underneath. Check out the complete step-by-step guide on Project Ophile. 15. Milk crates are often used to do a variety of DIY projects. It also makes a great recycling storage. The best thing, you can use this item to organize your stuff in a variety of ways. You can simply hang the crates on the wall, or stack them up on the porch or mudroom with labels for the recycling items. 16. Filing cabinet turned to a recycling bin. Do you have an old filing cabinet and planning to replace it with a brand new one? Instead of throwing the item away, you can repurpose it and make it valuable again. With only a little effort and tools, you can turn the filing cabinet to a recycling bin. Just remove the cabinet's top drawer. Afterward, get the trash cans and place it to the cabinet. Make sure the trash cans come with the label. The trash bins can be accessed by pulling the bottom drawer of the cabinet. 17. If you hate having recycled bins in view, this wooden pallet hidden recycling bins idea will be a great option. The best thing about this idea is that it can serve not only as a recycling bin, but also as a stand for plants. So, you can add some greens around, but unlike any other recycling bins, this is only for a single trash bin. In case you need more recycling trash bins, you'll be needing more. This is easy to make and the materials are cheap. 18. To a DIY laundry organizer is simple. All you only need to build is slide in the laundry cabinet. Label the laundry baskets and everything is set. You can fit 6 baskets in the laundry room, all at the same time, and each has their own little space inside of this upright unit. Keep things simple, and instead of making complete shelves, just made little edges for the edge of the baskets to rest on, and easy as that, they slide in and out. For the cabinet shelf DIY, check it out on Make It, Love It. 19. Metal trash cans. Add some personal touches to amplify the look of a simple trash can into a gorgeous recycling center. The design should blend well with the environment where you are planning to place the item. These metal trash cans are usually placed outdoors, but if you have a lot of space indoors, you can also choose to put it there. 20. If there is no space left indoors for a recycling station, this idea can be the best choice. Since it will take some hours to build, you can choose to do this project over the weekend. This recycling station looks like a little shed that hides the trash bins away, and it can also be built on the porch or deck. 21. Teach the kids how to recycle trash as early as possible. Have the children help you build the recycling station. All you need is cardboard box, colored duct tape, pattern masking tape, scissors, markers, and stickers. Use your colored duct tape and cover the outside of your box. Add a second layer of duct tape to secure your box. Give your little ones total free rein. Supply pattern masking tape, markers, and stickers, and just let them do their thing. Once your kids are done decorating, it's time to start gathering all those recyclable items and use your new DIY recycling bin. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. For more decorating and organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.